A God WOD This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Richards Goffe.
Greetings, greetings, greetings. In season, or outer season, preach the word. Today, I'm going to read from the book we name Acts, chapter 24, from verse 1 to verse 27. After 5 days, Ananias, the leader for the priest, them come down with some elder and one liar named Tertullus, and then tell the governor about the problem they have with Paul. After they carrying Paul, Tertullus start to chat against him. Him said to the governor, say, "You are a wise leader. Sake of that, for a long time now, we have peace in our country. And you cause enough good since you start rule. Governor Felix, sir, you do all kind of good sin. We see them. I will see them everywhere. I will thank you with all our heart. But me no want take up too much of your time. So me I beg you, listen to a little bit more, because you always show good face, all when we no deserve it." Fine said, the man ya a one wicked troublemaker. We are rile up the Jew them all over the world. And him a one ringleader for one party we then call the Nazarene. Him all try to dirty up God's house and no make it clean no more. So we catch him. But when you question him for yourself, you will learn, say, all of them sitting here where we are tell you about are really true. All the Jew them join in and say the sitting them where him did a say about Paul are true. When the governor pint pan Paul and give him the chance to talk for himself, Paul say, "I know say a long time now you are serve as judge over the country. So me happy to talk up for myself. You can find out easy. Say no more than 12 days now, me go up to Jerusalem to go worship God. They never find me argue with nobody or a rile up no crowd in a God house, in a the Jew them church, or nowhere else in a the city. And then can prove to you all the sitting them where them a tell you say me do. But when me can say to you at this, me worship the God where my father them worship as according to the way where them say wrong. Me believe everything we in the law and where the prophet them write down. Me and them man ya believe the same thing. We are wait and I look for God make dead people come back alive, whether them did good or bad. And that make me always do my best to live right, so that nobody can point a finger at me. And me can turn up in front of God and my conscience no bother me. After me the keep away from Jerusalem for a couple years, me go back to carry some money to give me own people, to help the poor and for burn sacrifice to God. And that me did I do when they see me in a God house. That time there, me did done do all what me did supposed to do to make myself clean in a God eye. Me never have no crowd with me. And me never do nothing to cause no trouble neither. But you have some Jew from Asia, where should I they right here now in front of you, if them have nothing against me. Or them man should I tell you what wrong then did find say me do when me did turn up in front of them leader. The only thing they can say is that me ball out in a them meeting and say, "A cause me believe say dead people are going to come back alive, make una there today, a judge me." Then Felix, when know the truth about the Lord, we tap where did I go on, don't quote and say, When Lysias, the head for 1,000 soldier come, me will make up my mind about what I'm going to do with you. So him order the head for 100 soldier for guard Paul, but for give him little space and not tap none of him friend them for help him, none at all. Couple days after that, when Felix and his wife Drusilla, where one Jew woman reach, he sent for Paul. Him listen when Paul talk about what it mean to believe in a Jesus Christ. While Paul did a talk about what it mean for somebody do it right, control themselves, and the day when God go judge everybody for all what they do, whether good or bad, Felix getting freed and said to Paul, say, that enough for now. You can leave. When me find time, me will send for you again. But him did a hope say Paul would have pay him off to let him go. So he sent for him and talk with him again and again. Yeah. After 2 years pass, Perseus Festus turned the new governor and take over from Felix. But because Felix did a try to curry favor with the Jew them, he left Paul in a prison. And God what this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.